Hey, I forgot about this thing called Screenomatic that she had in her list of tools for us to use. I think we could just use this to make our presentation. So here's our main page. Talk about that for a minute. Go into the About Us. Talk about that. Doing a little picture of my dogs here. Hope you don't mind because they do inspire me. Then go into our app description. Read a little bit from this. These are pictures of my friends' dogs and some devices. I thought they were cute. Talk about the design process. I lumped all of these things together under this one heading just so they would all kind of show up here. But talk about our brainstorming. We can show them our maps. Show them they can click here to get a bigger view of this because it's kind of hard to read. They can click here to go to the next section, which is, again, up here, the wireframes. So that's where your wireframe stuff will go. And then the instruction I kind of threw in here. It could go someplace else. You don't want it under design process, but I love this picture. Just talk a little bit about the instruction. Here's the Bloom's stuff. And then they can click here to actually look at the breakdown of that script task analysis that she wanted us to complete. Go back. It was all there. And then a link to our presentation. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think.